Interesting cat facts. Part 2. Blue-eyed cats, especially those with white fur, often have a higher chance of being deaf. This is due to a genetic link between the blue eye color and the hearing mechanism. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. Cats are natural predators, and their wild ancestors needed a lot of rest to conserve energy for hunting. Even though our domestic cats don't need to hunt for their food, they still retain this instinct. Lastly, cats walk in a way that is similar to camels and giraffes. Unlike most four-legged animals, cats have a unique gait known as the direct register walk. This means they move both their right feet first, then both their left feet, creating a distinct pattern. Subscribe.